Let's take a look at a math problem from an interview at an IT company. Job interviews seldom involve time-consuming and mentally demanding math problems. Typically, these are problems that test logic and creativity. So we need to find the value of the following expression: 1 squared minus 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 4 squared, and so on, up to plus 99 squared minus 100 squared. In essence, this is a math problem for 7th grade, but you need to identify a pattern and apply it to the expression. Give this problem a try, and when you are ready, continue watching the video to find the solution. There are several ways to solve this problem. One way is to calculate each square directly and then add and subtract the resulting values. But of course, that's not our option. Let's carefully look at the expression. We can notice that we have the sum of the differences of the squares of natural numbers from 1 to 100. To make it more noticeable, I'll add brackets. I'm not changing anything, as all the operations are equivalent. But with brackets, the picture becomes clearer. Now let's remember or derive the formula for the difference of the squares of two numbers. A squared minus b squared is equal to the product of a minus b by a plus b. Let's expand the brackets and see if this is true. Let's apply this formula for the difference of squares to each of the 50 pairs of brackets in our expression. As a result, we get the following expression: 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2, plus 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4, and so on. The last pair of brackets turns into 99 minus 100 multiplied by 99 plus 100. Each of the first brackets with a difference equals negative 1. 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. 3 minus 4 equals negative 1, and so on. 99 minus 100 equals negative 1. We can take this negative 1 out of the brackets. We can factor out the negative 1. Then inside the brackets, we have the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100. The math problem of finding the sum of all natural numbers from 1 to n is well known and easy to solve. Let's apply one of the possible solutions, of which there are several. We will add the numbers of our sequence from 1 to 100 in pairs, starting from the edges and moving to the center. 1 plus 100 equals 101. 2 plus 99 equals 101. 3 plus 98 equals 101, and so on, until 50 plus 51 equals 101. As a result, we get a sum of 50 pairs of 101. 50 multiplied by 101 equals 5050. Therefore, in our math problem, we multiply negative 1 by 5050 and get the answer, negative 5050. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Bye!